A restored house from the 1960s is typically called a mid-century modern restoration, also called Bahay na Bato in the Philippines, encompassing the time period roughly from the 1940s to the 1960s. This term highlights the design elements and aesthetic principles characteristic of the mid-20th century, emphasizing clean lines, organic forms, and a connection to nature. Such restorations often aim to preserve the original charm while updating the home for contemporary living. This process not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the property but also improves its functionality and energy efficiency. By blending contemporary features with historical charm, renovations can preserve the home's heritage while making it more livable for today's standards. Striking a harmonious balance between restoration and modernity in homes not only enhances visual appeal but also shows a nostalgic contemporary living experience. By thoughtfully integrating modern amenities with historical elements, homeowners can create spaces that reflect their personal style while honoring the architectural heritage of the past. This combination of old and new allows for a unique history within each home, where timeless beauty coexists with the conveniences of modern life. Basically, embracing both restoration and innovation transforms homes into vibrant reflections of their inhabitants, honors history, and paves the way for future memories.